Seaweed grows everywhere on Earth, on every coastline. It is a super abundant, generous crop. It doesn't require fresh water, grows in the ocean, doesn't require pesticides. It just thrives in natural ecosystems. And people have been farming seaweed for thousands of years, literally, as a source of food. And there's a commercial industry that most people, definitely the biology community, but most people don't know about. Seaweed's in your toothpaste. It's in your moisturizing cream. It's in your donut glaze. Seaweed is this secret ingredient that is commercially viable, but completely underutilized as a material feedstock for replacements for plastic.